you guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I completed this nice little glam using the Covergirl Expeditionist lip collection, and also I used the Covergirl foundation as well. Please let me know what you guys think, and please subscribe below if you like this video and like to see more from me. Hope you guys enjoy. So first, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to go in with the Farlossi. I always mess up this name. Farlossi Rose Gold Elixir. I'm just going to take a couple drops. So now that I applied some of the oil, I'm going to go in with some of my moisturizer, and I always use my Kiehl's moisturizer. I'm actually kind of running a little low on this. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl, and this is color Cool Tan. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand, just this amount. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that concealer in with the foundation I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be using the Covergirl foundation, and this is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made, and the color is D50, which is this one right here. I've been using this foundation like for a good couple weeks, and it has been beautiful in Miami with the weather. And since I have a little bit of drier skin, I usually mix it in with moisturizer, and it looks flawless. Like, it looks super good, and it lasts me all day. So I really enjoy this foundation, so it's pretty good. Go through. So you see my brow right now, it's pretty defined. And I'll just go ahead and fill it in. I'm just gonna fill it in with I don't even know, it's just like a random brown eyeliner I literally just got, and I don't even know, I guess you could use it for brows as well, you know. I don't know, I was just at Walgreens and it was just like something there to grab. I think it's a little lighter than my brows, so I'm just gonna go through with it. Yeah, usually when I grab random dark brown pencils, they're never like dark enough for my brows, but I mean, I don't think it looks terrible. It's just definitely not my brow color. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes with Huda Beauty's powders, which I absolutely love. These powders are amazing. Like, this powder right here, the Kunafa powder that I'm using, is beautiful under my eyes. I've used it a couple times and I actually love it, and I love it paired with the Covergirl foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set that on my eyelid right now. Okay, so now that my eyes are set, I can go ahead and start on my eyes. And I'm gonna be using the Makeup Shayla X Color Pop and going with the color Culture, and just put that all over my lid. And these colors are so pigmented. This is like my go-to eyeshadow palette. Like, I use it on all of my clients. I don't know, it's just like has almost all the perfect tones. The only thing I wish it had was a black, then it would be like, yeah, you know, top dog right now. Okay. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with the darker brown, which is played out. I'm using the same brush because I'm lazy. And I'm just going to tap that right on the outer. And next, I think I'm just going to go in with this color called Spill the Tea, which is just pretty much like a champagne tone. I'm just gonna place that right on my lid. Okay, so now that I feel like my eyes are, you know, they're getting there, they're almost cute enough. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the same Revenge color and go under my eye. And let's go in with some liner, and I'm just gonna use the Covergirl number 320 liner. And then next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner for my bottom, and I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs. This is Extreme Black. So now that my lashes are on, let's go ahead and start on my skin, and I'm just going to go in with the Covergirl foundation, and the color is D50. And I'm just going to take about 2 solid pumps and mix in edges. I don't want to mess them up. Kiva Hair, my sister, she is a hairstylist, but she lives in LA, and she always like kills me. She's like, your video, your edge is not laid. So I'm trying, you know, I'm trying to like keep on a scarf. My concealer, and I'm going to be using the same LA Girl. If you guys see this tube, you would laugh. Like, why? Why? Like, I don't know why. I just don't buy a new one. I'm not sure completely why I won't buy a new concealer, but oops, did I squirt on me? But this is, you know, it's just my life. Like, the struggle concealer, the $2.99 struggle concealer, you know? And for contour, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty. The color is Espresso, which is this one right here, and the color looks like go ahead and set with my Iman. I use it so much, as you can tell. I'm gonna set with my Iman, and the color looks like this. And this is the Earth 2 Second to Non-Luminous Foundation Powder. I love this color because it's super warm. I think it always creates like a bit balance. I'm gonna go in a little bit more with wherever I put my contour powder. And next I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Blush Trio, and I'm just gonna dibble and dabble between this. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you see how good the face looks? Like that powder just brings it all together. Like it just warms me up so well. Well, actually, let me get all this stuff off my hand. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna be using the MAC, and it is Gold Deposit. Don't judge my highlight brush. I really like this brush though. Look at it. No, it's just peeling. It is Real Techniques. That tan forehead will like give you so much life. Like it's crazy. Like tan forehead is life. You don't know. Okay. Start with the Covergirl lip liner, and this is going to be the 235 lip liner, and it looks like this. This is what I love about it. I don't know if you guys can see. And I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, and this is from the Cream Texture. It's from the Cream Finish, and the color is Honey Eyed Bloom, something like that.